Hey friends, welcome to TechHarvesting. In today's video, we'll have a look at how we can upgrade from React 17 to React 18 in our project. So this will unlock all the new features that was announced in React 18, like concurrent rendering and the use transition hook and many more. So let's get started. So to get started, I have got myself a project created with React 17. So this is a project from a tutorial that I've done a few months ago on using GitHub pages with React. And you can have any project that you have which uses React 17, and so we'll be upgrading it to React 18 so that we can use the all new features with the concurrent rendering. So let's get started. So the first thing that you'll need to be doing is to go ahead and install the latest version of React. So we can do yarn add React and React DOM. So we are installing the latest versions of React and React DOM. This will automatically install the latest version, which is 18 in this case. So if you check over here, once it's installed, you can see it shows 18.1.0. So that's installed React 18 onto this project. Now we'll need to go on to our index.jsx or JSX. In this case, since I'm using Wheat, it's the main.jsx file. And here we have to change the React DOM.render to use the new syntax that we are using in React. Now if you go ahead onto your project and open it up in our browser, you will see that you get this warning: React DOM.render is no longer supported in React 18. Use create root instead. So that's telling us that we should switch to the new API where we have the create root function, which will go ahead and create a root, and then we can render that root onto the website. So that's what we'll be doing right here. So the create root function from React DOM/client. So for that, we're not going to import React DOM, but we're going to import create root from React DOM/client. So if you hover over this, you see that it's a function and you get all the definitions for that. So next, we can scroll down and we're going to change this React DOM.render to be using the create root function. So first, we can create a root, const root equals create root, and if you do that, you can see it takes in a container, which is an element. So that's this that we're going to get from here. So this is where we are rendering our application onto, and this is what we'll be passing it onto this function for creating the root. So we can remove, not technical remove, we can just put this into a variable called const elements equals, and this entire thing can be inside this elements object. Go ahead and render this onto our app. So we can do root dot render, and in brackets we can go ahead and give in the elements object. So elements. So what we're doing now with this new API is we are creating a root, and we're going to give in the element, which the thing should be rendered to the app. So just like before we used to give React DOM.render the element, here we're giving it to create root the element, and we're getting it by the ID. You can also extract this onto a variable, but for now I'm just leaving it like that. Then you have the elements object, and in here we're just giving the app component itself. So you could just render the app component. I'm just wrapping it inside strict mode in here, and last we are going to render it by giving in the element. So that's very simple. That's all you need to do to upgrade, and it will automatically give you features to the concurrent API and the use transition hook and all those hooks and features that are included in React 18. So we can head back to our application and you will see that everything's working fine. So as you can see, everything's working now. There's no warning in here, and yeah, so that was it for this video. Just want to show you how you can upgrade to React 18. And if you go onto the React.js blog, they have an article where they show you how to do this, and you can also go ahead and read more about what's new in React 18. I'll leave a link to the article in the description. So that was it for this video. I just want to show you how you can upgrade from React 17 to React 18, and thanks for watching. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye friends.